Consumer Reports just dropped their latest rankings. M6 SUVs scored so high, they're being called near perfect. But here's the twist. The luxury brands you'd expect to dominate reliability. They didn't even make the top spots. In fact, the SUV sitting at number 1 is a model most people walk right past at the dealership. And before we get there, I'm also revealing the one mistake. 90% of buyers make a mistake that quietly costs thousands in depreciation, repairs, and useless warranties once these SUVs cross 50,000 miles. Because there's a pattern hidden in all 6 of these vehicles. A pattern that explains why some SUVs easily hit 200,000 miles, while others fall apart before 50,000. Let's break it down. Number 6. Subaru Outback Wilderness. Starting at number 6. The Subaru Outback Wilderness scored an impressive 93, but honestly, that number doesn't tell the full story. This thing isn't just reliable, it's borderline indestructible. It's been pushed through 127-degree heat in Death Valley, brutal Alaskan winters, and off-road punishment that destroys most vehicles within hours, and it just keeps going. Subaru completely re-engineered their engines after past reliability issues. New materials, redesigned, sealing, and every single engine is stress-tested for 200 straight hours. And here's the real secret. They removed complexity. No unnecessary electronics, fewer failure-prone features, and a focus on simplicity. Less tech equals fewer things to break. Even the underbody protection uses real steel, not plastic. Financially, it's just as strong. It holds about 72% of its value after 3 years, outperforming some luxury SUVs that cost twice as much. Number 5. Lexus NX350H. At number 5, the Lexus NX350H scored a 94, and this one is surprising, because on paper, it shouldn't be this reliable. It's packed with advanced tech-adaptive suspension, digital systems, PREM-IUM, interior features, everything that usually causes long-term headaches. So why does it rank this high? Because Lexus delayed the launch by nearly a year to fix 17 potential failure points before release. They didn't rush it, they perfected it. Even the hybrid system is built using technology from Toyota's industrial division, the same systems used in machines that run non-stop all day. The result, nearly 39 mpg, strong performance, and long-term durability. Plus, Lexus priced it aggressively to compete with German rivals, making it one of the smartest luxury buys right now. Number 4. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. At number 4. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid scored a massive 96. 3-row SUVs are usually where reliability starts to fall apart, but not here. Toyota didn't try to reinvent anything. They simply scaled up proven systems from models like the Prius and Camry. No risky new tech. No experimental parts. Just decades of refinement. Years into production, and there's still no major pattern of failure. Toyota also runs every unit through hundreds of quality checks, treating it more like a long-term experiment than a mass-produced SUV. And financially, it holds around 70% of its value after 3 years, which is incredible for a vehicle in this segment. Number 3. Honda CR-V Hybrid. Coming in at number 3, the Honda CR-V Hybrid is the definition of quiet reliability. No flashy gimmicks, no unnecessary complexity, just engineering that works. Honda built this hybrid system to last well beyond 200,000 miles, and early data backs that up. Owners report virtually zero major issues, no battery failures, no transmission problems, no electrical headaches, and unlike some CVTs, this system feels smooth and natural. Fuel economy sits in the mid-40 mpg range, and the resale value stays strong around 68 to 70%. It's not exciting, but that's exactly why it's so good. Number 2, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. At number 2. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid continues to dominate reliability charts. This is the SUV people forget about until they look at the data, and when they do, it speaks for itself. No recurring major issues. No hybrid system failures. No costly surprises. Toyota built this powertrain using proven global components, the same kind used in high-mileage commercial vehicles. We're talking about SUVs regularly hitting 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Fuel economy stays consistent even at high mileage, and resale value sits around 70% after 3 years. It's not flashy, but it's built to last. Number 1, Acura MDX. And finally, number 1, the Acura MDX. This is the one that shocked everyone. Consumer Reports gave it a 97 reliability score, putting it in a category most vehicles never reach. Acura didn't just upgrade this SUV, they rebuilt it. From the suspension tuning to the electronics and sound insulation, everything was engineered with precision. They spent nearly 2 full years refining the ride and handling, far longer than most manufacturers. And the result is something rare. A luxury SUV that's both refined and incredibly reliable. Maintenance is minimal, ownership is smooth, and Acura was so confident they extended the powertrain warranty. This isn't just a comeback, it's a statement.